Alrighty, we are out here with the Biscayne today. Got a couple little things I want to get done before this weekend. I'm gonna finish getting this crap out of here really quick, and then we are going to seam seal the corners of the trunk and the wheel wells there. I've been putting it off for quite a while, so let's get it done. All right, we got her cleaned out. Now we're gonna get all this junk vacuumed up that keeps falling out of the trunk lid here. We'll get this cleaned up. I'll crawl in there. I got my Sikaflex here that we've been baking in the sun, so it's nice and malleable. I'm also gonna do these. There's a couple little spots here where I got some chicken crap welds there that we're gonna Sikaflex up, and then we'll be good. Alrighty, got her all cleaned out. Now it's time to get up in there and get that sucker seam sealed there, seam sealed there, a little bit here, a little bit here. I'm also going to take a little paintbrush, kind of put some brush strokes in it, kind of make it look factory. Alright, so we're going to want a rather fat bead of this stuff, so I went ahead and cut the caulk tube real wide and like that. It'll let us get a nice wide bead in there, and then come in with our little 2-inch paintbrush and brush stroke it. Alrighty, climbed up in here. Lay a nice chunky bead of it up in this side here. Let's see if we can get this. There we go. That side looks good. Add a little bit more around in there. Throw this bugger on the towel real quick. Get in there with our brush. Those gaps. There we go. Now it looks like it was done on a Monday morning in the shop. All right, got that side looking nice and Monday morning-ish at GM. This side nice and Monday morning-ish. Now we're gonna come in here and do around these patches that I welded in on both sides. And there you have it. We got her all seam sealed up. Doesn't look too bad. More importantly, doesn't look too good. It's gotta look factory. So that'll do it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos on the red Camaro we just bought. We're going to be talking about the engine build on that here pretty soon. So yeah, stay tuned.